Hey, good afternoon, you guys. This is Matthew with Sunny Pressure Washing. We're out in beautiful West Houston right now, take care of some algae and mildew growing on the side of this house. We got this wonderful homeowner inside. We're going to get this house all cleaned up. It's going to go from green to clean. So what I want to do is showcase for you guys our soft wash method. So this is low pressure, and I'm just going to show you guys right here on the side of this home. So it's going from green, and we're going to give it a light coat. This is low pressure. It's all in the solutions, right? So we're not damaging any of it. This is, I'm not sure, to be honest with you guys, completely transparent, I'm not sure exactly what kind of siding this material is made out of. I think it's just wood siding. Oh, and do you know exactly?
It's like called quickboard or something like that. It's a siding though.
Quickboard? Okay, got you. So yeah, so you can see as we coat this other side, this side's already coming clean. But what we'll do is and we sprayed this area just to kind of do a little test. But yeah, so we're putting this treatment on right now, and you can see that it's coming dry and or coming clean. And so you can kind of compare the two. The two were even to begin with, and so now this is what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like now. And what I'll do is I'll put a different, so let me just put a couple more coats on right here. And then what we'll do is we can, let's come around back to this side. And we'll show you guys just again, we'll put a different tip on, and so you guys can see just the fan pattern come out. So, alright, so we're just going to coat this again. Get a nice even coat on there, and we're going to come back and rinse these windows because we don't want them to leave any streaks or anything. But so the homeowner is getting a more effective clean with this soft wash treatment. So we're not getting up there with a pressure washer and risking damaging their siding, blowing any water through their window seals, anything like that. And also with the pressure washer, you're not really, what you're doing is you're just pushing the mold and the algae off of the side of the house. You're not really actually cleaning anything. So with our treatment, it's got an algicide in there. It's got some soap to help stick to the wall, and then it's also got a little bit of water to help keep it at a safe ratio for the plants. And so you can see the garden hose running through here as well. What we're doing is we're watering all the plants, and then we're putting down the treatment, and then we're watering them again. So everything comes out safe. It's not going to harm any plants, any of the vegetation, any vegetables you got, or any flowers and whatnot. So, and I want to show, would you look back at this area right here? So we're just going to go and show you guys how easily that melts off the side of the hose. So you can see. So we'll let that sit for a little bit longer, and we'll come back over it again with the garden hose, and that'll rinse off. But let's take a look. So this is almost cleared up. Let's step back just a second and hit this one side, and I want to show you guys the difference. This was that first side that we did. You can see how clean that is now, and then this was what it looked like before. So really, I mean, just night and day difference for these wonderful homeowners that we really are sincerely happy to serve. So we appreciate you guys being here with us. My name is Matthew. The company is Sunny Pressure Washing. You can give us a call at 832-622-2924. Again, that's 832-622-2924, and we'll come out and give you guys a free demonstration. We'll get everything unloaded, show you how it works, and we'll get you an estimate, and hopefully we can get you guys scheduled to be taken care of. So we appreciate it again. Would you show them again just how clean this looks and how dirty this looks, and then we'll go back over again at how clean that other side looks. But so, and then would you step back so that they can see them both just side to side? So, all right, perfect. We appreciate you guys a bunch. Thank you so much.